This concrete here, they help with the stability. There are two. This one's for the right hand side, written R, and then we have another one for the left side. There's an L labeled on that, so they help with the stability. So if you see this machine, we have removed the concrete, so the machine is unstable. You see, it can fall back. Why? Because now we have the motor behind. So I'll show you the motor. The motor is quite heavy, so if you remove the concrete and the machine has the motor, it tends to lean back. So I'll show you the motor. It's quite heavy. It's a direct drive motor. That's the motor. The motor is quite heavy. So without the concrete block, the machine weight will lean at the back. So that's why you have to have the concrete. When you put the concrete blocks, this is what happens. Without concrete, that's it. With the concrete, without, there's that imbalance. With the concrete, there we go. So these are very, very, very important on our washing machine. Then something else with the LG, you see, like Samsung, what they have done, and other brands, we have these two concrete blocks, and then we have one that's on top. LG are doing something different, so this also helps with the stability. Let me remove them. They are quite heavy, so they are plugged. They are fit end to end, so stability is more. The machine will be more stable compared to just putting one concrete block at the center. So we remove this. So these ones also help with the stability. Very, very heavy, heavier than the concrete. So this also helps with the stability. Yeah, these as well, they also help with the stability. And they all fit here. So these help with stability. They are hooked on the drum at the front. They also help hold the rubber gasket intact. And then we have this for LG. Latest models, they are doing that. They are plugged on this panel here, and then they fit up here. Other brands, they have one concrete up here, like a washer only that doesn't have this duct. Most of them have a concrete block plugged up here. Other machines, it's at the back, just besides the motor. So other machines, they are fit somewhere here. So we remove this because I was trying to remove the rubber seal. So in the process, I had to do another video of how important the concrete is. So instead of removing this and this, let's opt to remove this, and this, so that we can at least raise the heating duct. So I can easily raise that up, and then we pull this down like that.